तो जो पहले आए थे, जो पहले खड़ा हुआ था लड़का,
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, beloved Azur. My name is Muhammad Fizan, and my question is, in this COVID situation, does Salat in congregation at home offer the same reward as Salat in the mosque?
yes, see, you are not doing it willingly. You are forced to do it. And Allah knows all our deeds and actions and intentions. If we are not going to the mosque intentionally and avoiding to offer our prayer in congregation in the mosque, then it is a sin in Allah's eyes. But when there are some restrictions and you don't have any other choice but to satisfy yourself and to obey the commandment of Allah, you are offering your prayers in congregation with your siblings and family members, then Allah Ta'ala, you see, gives the rewards of every person according to their intention. This is why the Holy Prophet ﷺ said, "Innamal a'malu binniyat," that the reward of your deeds depends on your intentions. If you are doing something with good intention, then Allah will give you the same reward. Allah is very merciful. If you are doing something with bad intention, even if it is a good thing, then even giving charity with bad intention is not good in the eyes of Allah. So anything you are doing with the good intention will be rewarded by Allah Ta'ala as much as He wishes. Right? Okay, Assalamu alaikum.